SRPT back in the spotlight, trending and gaining traction, up 6.71%. This is Monday, the 22nd of September 2025. We know here that it's been in an uptrend since Wednesday the 17th. And before that time, the $17.11 price target, if you like, served as a primary supply line, so primary demand line. Each time it closed there within one standard deviation, there was always a demand. But in any case, yes, that the last time it actually closed around there was on the 17th, and since that time it hasn't come anywhere close again. Yeah, okay, well, not that close, but still not that far off. However, it's been now, I think, began to get support from 17.42. So as a matter of fact, 17.42 and the 17.42 and 17.11, they've been serving as primary demand lines or demand prices, some primary demand prices, if you like, meaning that each time they close there over by the end of every 4 hourly trading sessions, that is, these 4 hourly trading sessions are from 4 a.m. New York time, 8 a.m., and like that. Each time it closed by any, yeah, each time it closed by any of those 4 hourly time slots, then you see that the demand will pick up. Yeah, it has actually happened. As a matter of fact, happened on the 17th. Friday the 19th actually did happen. Yeah, it did happen again. It happened on that day, so we're not that far off from there. But yeah, it's not irrelevant, but it's still very much relevant if you like. So, extrapolation of its 3 period moving average saying that we're going to have strength remain in place up to Tuesday's pre-market session. That is tomorrow the 23rd, and then after that we may get a small, very slight contraction. Then the uptrend may resume again. No guarantee that that will be the case. So upper projections are currently saying 18.67, 19.29, 19.67. We've seen the stock trade as high as, let's see what we have here. We've seen it trade as high as, let's see, it's 17.62, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So yeah, so we've seen it. What are we talking about here? It's currently trading at 18.6. Way higher than this. Way higher than this. Previous projections went as high as 26.18. Okay. So as things stand right now, buying pressure is very strong. The 10 and 21 period moving averages are both in strong trend modes. However, we have a negative second derivative on negative second derivative on its 21 period moving average, indicating that its stock is facing some challenges. Yeah, and easily you can imagine that will be the case, or that is the case. Yeah. So let's see now. Let's quickly glance at the daily chart. Let's see. Yes, the stock has been consolidating since the 29th of July, even with all of the rumors, all of the speculations and the anticipations. The underlying trend is still a bearish one. Okay. So let's see what's going on. The stock is currently trending and gaining a lot of traction. I think you just have a listen and see what's going on.
Sarepta Therapeutics SRPT is back in the spotlight with momentum building around several key catalysts. The most immediate focus is on a potential European Medicines Agency (EMA) approval for Sarepta's flagship Duchenne muscular dystrophy (DMD) therapy, Elevidys. While the FDA process has been turbulent at times, with pauses and scrutiny around clinical data, the European pathway is now seen as a major validation event. A positive EMA decision would not only open up a significant new revenue stream, but also provide global credibility for Sarepta's gene therapy platform. At the same time, analyst sentiment has turned more bullish. Recent rating upgrades highlight Sarepta's robust pipeline in neuromuscular rare diseases, ongoing label expansion for Elevidys, and its strengthened financial footing following the recent $700 million debt refinancing. Some analysts have raised price targets substantially, arguing that Sarepta trades at a steep discount compared to recent biotech acquisitions in the rare disease space. This has fueled buyout speculation, with investors debating which major pharmaceutical companies might view Sarepta as a strategic acquisition target. With a growing focus on genetic medicines and rare diseases, Sarepta's platform could be attractive to big pharma players like Roche, Novartis, or Pfizer, all of whom are actively investing in advanced therapies. Bulls argue that Sarepta could command a premium valuation well above current levels, given its established commercial base, late stage pipeline, and strategic partnerships. Still, not everyone is convinced. Bearish voices point to ongoing risks, including management's past handling of FDA interactions, lingering safety debates around gene therapy, and the potential for regulatory setbacks. Some also worry that Sarepta could issue additional stock offerings if cash burn accelerates, creating dilution for shareholders. Meanwhile, trading dynamics are adding fuel to the fire. Sarepta's high short interest, combined with bullish technical setups, has community members speculating about a potential breakout or even a short squeeze. The mix of fundamental catalysts and trading momentum has made SRPT one of the most closely watched biotech names on retail investor forums. Bottom line, Sarepta is at a pivotal moment. Between a possible EMA approval, Wall Street upgrades, and growing buyout chatter, the company sits at the intersection of science, strategy, and speculation. Whether it becomes the next biotech M&A prize or continues to build value independently, Sarepta's next moves could be decisive for its long-term trajectory.
Okay, so still holding the gains of 7.23 now. Let's see what's going on, how aggressive or lack thereof of the folks at the market as things stand right now. Yeah, okay. These folks are not, the person or the people behind us are not aggressive. Surely they are waiting and biding their time. This is where the action is. This is where the action is. So some people are expecting it to pull back. Okay. Let's see whether people are expecting it to print higher prices. Yes, 18.74, 18.80, yeah, 18.99, $19. Yeah, is that all we have to? Are they're not that ambitious. I think that's all we have. And indeed, there might be more, but this is all we have. This is all they have written. This is all they have indicated 7.57 as the gain right now. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.